Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the simple arithmetic mean individual series calculating by step deviation method. In step deviation method, what we do? Step deviation method is used to further simplify shortcut method. Simply, step deviation method is used to simple the larger digits when we are having the larger value. In this method, deviations are divided by a common factor. So first of all, we come to with the step deviation method. The deviations are divided by a common factor denoted by C. So deviations in the shortcut method we are taking, that is divided by common factor C, that we take by taking as a common factor. The objective is to avoid why we take the step deviation method. We take this step, we follow the step deviation method to avoid large numerical figures, that is if D is equal to x minus A is very larger than find D. तो इसका जब हमारी x से माइनस a की वैल्यू ज्यादा हो जाती है, in that condition we are taking the step deviation method, and this is followed by D dash is equal to x minus a divided by C. C is the common factor, x the value of the items, and a is the assumed mean. The formula for the step deviation method will be x bar is equal to a will be assumed mean, sigma d dash, it means the total of the deviated values and calculated numbers or total numbers of items, multiplied by c, that is the common factor. Now we will understand this with an example, with a solution. First of all, we take the same example that we followed in the direct method and shortcut method. The individual series we are discussing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 items are given, so that's why the number of items should be 8. The value of x is given the same, 1800, 1900, 1750, 2200, 2000, 2060, 1600, 80, 90. Now what will we do? First of all, we will take the deviation. So deviation will be like the formula for of shortcut method. So deviation for we need the assumed mean. Assumed mean we take the common, we take the simple digit, that is 2000, and by subtracting x minus a, we are getting minus 200, minus 100, minus 250, plus 200, plus 60, minus 400, minus 110. In the these methods we followed till in shortcut method also. Now, but in step deviation method we will also take the common factor. Why we will take the common factor? Common factor we have calculated 10. Here we have calculated, here we have taken the common factor, that is 10. 10 हमने यहाँ से कहीं these step deviations are total, and the following formula is applied to calculate arithmetic mean. Here we take the 10 as a common factor between all the values, and we will divide D by the common factor. So the common factor is 10. 200 divided by 10 will be minus 20. 100 divided by 10 will be minus 10. 250 divided by 10 minus 25. 200 20 0 0. 60 divided by 10 will be 6. 400 divided by minus 40, and 110 divided by 10 will be minus 11. Now we will add all these values. So first of all, we will add all the minus digits, and for after that we will add the plus digits. And plus this is only 220 plus 6, that will be sitting here. And after that we adding that, we get a minus 80. The sigma d dash will be minus 80. Now we will put all these values in the formula. So what is the formula? The formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma d dash upon n multiplied by common factor c. So sigma d dash, what is the value of assumed mean? That is 2000. So first of all, we will write 2000. Sigma d dash, that we get minus 80. And what is the value of n? That is 8. And multiplied by c. C is the common factor here, 10. So by putting all these values, we get this type of figure. And after solving this, we get the answer 1900. So in the three methods, direct method, step deviation method, shortcut method, we get the answer 1900.